Welcome back to We Love Orchids. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of a package that we received. Wait, where is this box from?
So this box is from Bright Light Orchids, and Steve Robinson is the owner, and he sells seedlings. So I ordered some from him. He held it for me since the end of last year. Thank you so much, Steve Robinson. And beautiful Kate Perry, she packed it for me and shipped it out for him. Thank you guys for your teamwork. Good job.
Okay, let's see what we got.
Yep, let's see what we got.
Oh, that's why you have to always be careful. I was about to toss this to the side and I didn't realize.
Don't toss it.
Okay.
Okay, so this is actually an adult. It's a flowering size. It is Dendrobium Victoria Reginae. I always wanted one of these. So it's a keiki from the plant. So she looks good, nice and plump there.
All right. Here, let me do a close up of that. No, I'll take the cotton out. You.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. Let me do this one real quick. All right, like that. This over here.
And this one is. Let me just read it, and my husband will take it out of this. This one is Laelia Prastines. I think I said it right. Florence by Brandi. She looks very healthy. She has some sunspot. She's a seedling also.
Great packaging.
Yes, very, very well packaged. Thank you, Kay, again. Yep, and that new growth looks very good. Over there. Yep.
We did that.
This one is, wow, this one has a nice growth there. Is Epiparkinsonianum. I already have one from him and I mounted it, and this is my second one. And it looks very, very healthy. Thank you, Steve. We will give you a close-up at the end. And this is Kingidium philippinensis. This one, he said that at one point got a little bit of spider mite, but they're all killed off. But it looks very healthy. You can see those old spots for the spider mites. I will put them to the side for a few weeks to make sure they don't have any pests or anything. But the new leaves, they look very good. And this is another one. He did tell me he was gonna give me 2 freebies. So I'm not sure if this is one of them. It's the same one. Yep. Oh no.
It came out.
It's okay, baby. You're coming right back in. And she's potted in really small bark. Seedling bark. It's okay, I'll fix her later.
Now I don't have to turn it over so much.
Okay. This is Phalaenopsis Bellina Big Gem by Self. I did order 2. It's a very, very tiny seedling, so I have to be very, very careful. Oh no, what's this?
Is that a sequential?
Oh, something had a flower. Look. This is a little flower bud. Where did that come from? I hope it wasn't.
Maybe that's growing. Put it in the medium, see what happens.
Okay, babe. We'll try.
And the last orchid in the box.
I get so excited with plants.
It's another.
This is the other one I purchased. It's the same Phalaenopsis Bellina.
Oh, okay.
Big Gem by Self. It is a sequential bloom. It's a novelty orchid, but it's really tiny too. It's really tiny one.
Alright, that's cool.
And that was it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to show them all on the turntable?
Sure.
I guess. So this is one of our latest blooms of our BL Yellowbird. We have it on this little turntable here. So these are all little orchids. How many do we have in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They all arrived nice and safe. So thank you guys for sending these to us, and thank you viewers for watching. This is our little haul for today. So as always, We love orchids, and you should love orchids also.
You better. Bye.
Bye.